Hi, I'm Jasper and I'm your youth tutor for today. Today we're going to be doing some advanced trigonometry, and here's our question for today. So first it says draw the graph of y equals 3 cos x, and the next part is by drawing a straight line, find the solutions of the equation 3 cos x equals x over 20 degrees in a range of minus 180 degrees less than or equal to x less than or equal to 180 degrees. So from this we know that the first part it's telling us to do is to draw the graph of y equals 3 cos x, and that's the same as a normal y equals cos x graph, except that it's stretched in the scale factor of 3 in the y direction. So over here we have our graph where you can see your y equals 3 cos x next to the y equals cos x, and the intersections of the x-axis are the same at minus 90 and 90, but as you can see it's stretched in the y-axis by 3, so it crosses the y at 3.
So you've got a set of values here, haven't you?
Yeah, we have a table up here with a set of values. So from here you can use this to plot your y equals 3 cos x, and that's what we've done down here.
I'll just come in close on that for a moment. So we can see we've got x over 20 cosine x and y equals 3 cosine x. Okay, yeah. That's great.
So we've used that to plot our y equals 3 cos x, and as the question asks, we need to plot our x over 20 graph, which is our straight line, and the end of the question is to find the intersection. So we take a new graph and we need to draw our x over 20, which would be a straight line. So using the points we've plotted, the points we can plot from here, we can draw our straight line across there.
Which ideally we would have used a ruler for, but
ideally we would have used a ruler.
Okay, and you did that very simply because you know that from your table it's ranging from minus 9 to plus 9 on the y-axis and passing through the origin. Mm-hmm. Okay.
And as we have it, so we need to find where that crosses or intersects the y equals 3 cos x. So on here we would again draw our y equals 3 cos x, and we'd use the ones we plotted here. So we know it goes from minus 180, it's minus 3, and then it goes to minus 3 again at 180 degrees.
Okay.
So we have our minus 3 here and our plus 3 here. So we would draw our graph.
So that was minus 3 to plus 3.
So that was minus 3 to plus 3.
Okay.
And we want to find the intersection. So if we draw down from there, that's our intersection, and you can see that's where it will cross our x-axis.
So where is that roughly from your sketch?
So roughly from our sketch, we know this one's 90, so we know that a halfway point would be 45. So you can see that it's just below 45.
Okay, so from your sketch, your solution for this question is that x would equal just less than 45 degrees.
That's correct, yeah.
And how could we verify that?
You could verify that by drawing a table with the so you draw a table with x equals, so you can start by doing x equals 44, say, which is just 1 under 45, and then you'd put 45, you put 44 into your x over 20, so you do 40 over 20, and then you also put x equals 44 into your y equals 3 cos x1. And if they are the same, then you know that's where your intersection is.
And you did that, and what value did you actually get for this?
And I did that, and the value that I got was 43.5.
Which verified your sketch beautifully.
Which verified it perfectly. So we know that this one here is 43.5.
So quite a nice question for understanding the stretch factors, the straight line intercept on a trigonometric graph, and using the sketch, using a fairly good sketch to get your values.
Yeah, yeah.
And is there, it said in the question, Jasper, it said find the solutions. Is there more than one solution to this?
Well, that is the only solution of the question, and you can see this by, so we know that this is our y equals 3 cos x graph. And we know that with cos graphs, because it's only affecting the stretch of the y-axis, the highest point it will reach is the 3, and it will repeat as you go along.
Yes.
But then this straight line one, this straight line graph will carry on getting higher up here and lower down here. So it will never come back up to our -3 or down to our 3. So it won't ever reach our y equals 3 cos x, so there aren't any more.
So there's only one intercept between these two curves, the straight line and y equals 3 cos x.
Yeah, only the one at 43.5 degrees.
Well done, Jasper. Thank you very much
Thank
indeed.
you very much.